Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I have to tell you some important things about KGM Ssangyong Torres interior that I wish I knew before I bought this car. So please watch the whole video to find out everything that I need to tell you. So this is KGM Torres 1.5 petrol engine, pre-facelift model with AC automatic gearbox. It's a very nice car. I have it around 4 months for now, and it's a great car. Now I will first show you materials on this KGM. Here you can see the wheel. It's some kind of leather. I don't know, is it a real leather or fake leather, but it has very nice feel, very soft, very plushy. Here wheel has some straight part, as you can see. Here on the dashboard, it's very soft and nice material on the feel. It's some kind of sponge under this, and this is all covered with leather, and it has very beautiful stitching. When you coming to the armrest, it's the same material. Very nice, very padded, very beautiful stitching. Two kinds of texture. Very nice. When we come to seats, very nice, very plushy, soft leather materials, very nice stitching, very nice side rest. You can see how plushy this headrest is. It's simply great. Now you can see here on the under the dashboard some aluminum part, very nice insert. It matches well with this on the doors. It's very nice feel. Also you can see here other aluminum inserts, very nice. And now we are coming down there. Here it is also some kind of plushy materials, nice, but as you're coming lower, you can see here it's a hard plastic. Here when you rest your arm, it is soft material too, very nice to touch. Here hard plastic, down there of course hard plastic. Here is piano plastic, which is very easy to catch dust. I hope that you see that. Also, piano plastic is here around the infotainment system, and of course here also hard plastic. But made quality of this car is pretty good. I have driven before 5 Mercedes, 1 Audi, 1 BMW, 1 Toyota, 1 Honda, and some other cars, and I can tell you that this car is very well made. It's about same level as Honda or Toyota, but it is under some German premium car manufacturers. But this car is not premium. It's a all-around car for everyday use, so it is very nice that is on the same level with Honda or Toyota. Now I will show you how to start it and go to some systems that it has. First you have to press brake, Now let's start this car. As you can see, everything ignites first. It's very nice. Look, this car has 3 screens. The main screen here, this infotainment screen, and this screen for climate controls, heating seats, and some other functions. This car has now, I don't know if you can see, 2,840 kilometers on it. I have it for 4 months now, and I'm pretty pleased with it. I drove this car 80% in a town, 20% on an open road, and the average fuel consumption is about 10.7 liters, which could be better, but for my style of driving it's enough, because I drive only about 12,000 kilometers per year. Now I will show you some things that you can do here. Here you can adjust temperature. As you can see, it would be maybe better to have physical buttons, but you get used to this. But only problem is when you are driving, you have to look for a part of the second down there, and it is dangerous if you're driving fast. So my advice is that you adjust these parameters before you start the car. Here you can change the direction of air, and when you change it, here it's making changes on this upper screen. Here you can change heating for seats. You can see it has 3 levels of heating. Very nice feature. Here is front windshield heating, same for the rear. Auto hold function. I always turn this start off, and it's also on this screen. All-wheel drive rock, you can turn it on, and you can see it also on this screen. When you are driving in some harsh conditions like snow or mud or something like that, you can hold this button for about 1 second and open the trunk. Here is heating steer wheel on. Very nice. And after maybe 2 months, I was wondering where is sport mode, normal mode, winter mode. I couldn't find it on this car. Also, I couldn't find any info on the internet. And then I found you have to swipe right, and then you have some hidden menu. You can see it here, and it goes back after a few seconds. So if you want, you can select here, and the drive mode is changing. Also, you can see here, when you're pressing, mode is changing. I wish that I know that when I bought the car, but okay, I find it later. This is parking sensors. You can turn it on and off. This is when you are going downhill, you can turn it hill descent control. You can see there. Auto hold, and this is for adjusting lights, the height of the lights. Very nice features. Now I will show you this ASIN gearbox. It is very nice. You have one button here. You gently press it, and then you can change through gears. It is very easy to change. Very nice. I will show you when I go to reverse. It immediately switched to this parking camera, which has very crystal picture. Very great. Very nice. Now I will turn this off and you can hear the welcome sound and goodbye message when you turn it off, and also the same is when you first enter the car. Just listen. Very, very nice and beautiful sound. You can turn it off, of course, but if you don't want, you can leave it. If you want to turn this while you are in the car, just move your feet off the braking pad and press it once and it will turn off. Now I will show you some storage room on this car, which is, I can say, great. You can see here it has a lot of storage room. I hold my holder for glasses, some rags, I don't know, some other things. Very nice. You can see it's very big. You can easily store a 1 liter bottle here, another one in the middle, and some other smaller things here. By the passenger side you have this convenient compartment where you can store some smaller items. It's very nice. Here is the glove box. Glove box is pretty huge. I have this KGM owner manuals, some other my private things inside, so it is very, very nice and large, of course. Here you can put your mobile phone. Here is a wireless charge. I will try to zoom it, but light is not good enough. You can wireless charge your phone here. Here is one smaller for coins or something. Here is one bigger one, cup holder. Here is one also big cup holders which has, I will show you this part, so it grabs the bottle of or cup. Here is other compartment, and this all is connected, so if you need, you can take this all outside and put some longer thing. One thing that I don't like about this car is, you will see now, no place for sunglasses. You know, in some other cars there is a standard, but that is maybe only downside for this car. Here is all kind of lightings. It's full LED, very nice. You can change it for doors. Here are the speakers, microphone when you talking, and here I will show you. I don't know. Here you can see it. It's SOS button. If you have a car crash or any problem, you can just press it and it automatically calls emergency services, and that is very nice thing that you have in this car. I will also show you this compartment box. It's, my god, this is huge. I just have to show you my bag. Look at this, my bag. It is pretty big one. You can put it inside while the other things are already inside. Here you can see it. It can completely fit inside. Just a second. And you can close it without problem. Great thing about this car. It's so lovely. On the back side, I hope that you can see, it has a huge amount of space for 3 adult passengers. The headroom is great. Simply in the front and on the rear, the headroom is great. So guys, I hope that you like this Ssangyong KGM Torres interior review. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.